Congratulations to signing up to registering for this amazing basic dowsing course where I really want to help you set the foundation to becoming an excellent dowser, that you can trust your dowsing results and that your results are going to be more accurate and also more consistent. You should have already received your sign-on bonus, which is to help you find the right material for your pendulum. If you didn't see it in your welcome email, I'm going to attach it again in this lecture so that you can download it. It's either a part of this lecture or it's in the next lecture. So just download that, and that is going to help you in choosing the material. Does it matter if you have a citrine pendulum or an amethyst pendulum? Does it really matter? That's what that handout is for you. So I hope that you're going to love it. Next, I want to encourage you to complete this course. Why? You are going to get another congratulations completion email from me that is going to contain an additional bonus just for the hard work for going through with the material in this course. So I want to encourage you to make sure that you have 100% view of all the lectures so that I can send you that at the end of this course. I also want to bring your attention to the handouts that are going to be a part of this course. So be on the lookout for each of the lectures that are either going to say print your chart, print your handout, or anything like this that is going to be available to you. If you have any questions at all at any given time, click either the discussion link or the Q&A link and just ask your question. I'm here 7 days a week. I want to answer all of the questions that you have as fast as possible to really helping you understand this amazing tool. So without further ado, let's move on to the next lecture.